In this video, we're going to discuss how to access the pictures taken associated with your LiDAR scan. If you take a look at the viewer, you'll notice that we have these blue pins scattered throughout. What those represent are stations where the LiDAR scanner took the points from, as well as where the pictures are taken from. If you don't see these stations or blue pins, they're probably concealed behind the visibility toggle, which is accessed in the top right hand panel. We'll just go ahead and left click this toggle button, and you'll notice that the stations are no longer visible. To get them back, you'll left click again. Now let's say we've identified a location on our scan where we want to see the actual site pictures from. Perhaps it's this point 9. Well, we're going to go ahead and left click on that pin 9, and you'll notice that a picture does come up associated with that 9th station. We can left click this boundary to make it slightly bigger, all the way to half page. If we would like to see this in full, because we don't want to work with the point cloud right now, we can go ahead and left click this expand box, and that's going to bring up this picture in full. That, just like with the point cloud, we can left click to pan around 360 degrees. We can also zoom in on items of interest with the scroll wheel. So I'm just going to scroll towards my monitor, and you can see I can scroll into the picture. Of course, back here is a little bit grainy, but that's because I'm zooming into a picture. But let's say at station 9, I've identified, hey, there are some Perry props here. I'd like to take a look at how the contractor constructed those. So I'm going to get out of this picture, this station, and I'm going to try and find a station that's a little bit further down the ramp. Looks like we have a station 10. So what I'm going to do is left click on that. That's going to bring up a photograph that's a little bit closer to those Perry props. And so I can zoom in on those now and see that, hey, they have some 2x10 or 2x12 headers, 2x10 or 2x12 cells, and it looks like they have them located all the way around the drop panel. And we can do this all throughout the point cloud. Wherever there is a station, you can click on that drop pin to take a look at the pictures. So let's go ahead and take a look at this 14. And we're on the other side of the ramp now.